Welcome to Always Dolls, and thanks for joining us. Today we have our April community poll video sharing with you how to craft yummy lunch ideas for your 18-inch dolls. Thanks to everyone who participated. With over 70% of the votes, today we share with you how to make a grilled chicken wrap, fruit kebab, jelly or jello cup, and a packet of tortilla chips. These items make the perfect addition to your doll's school lunch. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe and share to help our channel grow. So, let's get making! For a lunch wrap, we are starting with cream, light yellow coloured paper. Manila folders are the perfect shade. Cut or punch out one circle per wrap. To add detail to our tortilla, water down brown paint and use a stiff bristled brush to flick little paint dots onto the paper. Set aside to dry. Next, pre-fold your paper into a pocket using your finger to curl the lower third of the circle upward and the two sides in. This step really helps when it's time to add the filling. Put a generous amount of liquid glue on the inside of the wrap. For lettuce, we have fake leaves in different shapes and shades of green. You could also use green paper, cardstock or felt. Adhere to the upper half of the circle, ensuring some of the green hangs over the edge. Build up a few layers of leaves. To fill the bottom of the wrap, glue cotton balls to the lower half of the circle. Add more liquid glue, then fold the wrap, following the lines we made earlier. Now for the protein. For this, we are using the grilled chicken from our DIY dinner tutorial. Since we used air dry clay, we can easily cut slices of chicken. Again, add more liquid glue, then arrange your slices into the wrap and among the folds of the lettuce. For an added pop of colour, cut small circles of red cardstock in half. Stack and glue the semicircles to make a slice of tomato. Place in your wrap, then leave it overnight to dry. They are so delicious we had to make more than one. Next up, a fruit kebab. We have cream cardstock for the banana slice. Cut or punch 12 discs per slice. We are going to make 2 slices. Stack and glue one slice as is. For the second slice, we will use a brad punch to make a smaller circle in the centre for the kebab stick. Tip: use your first disc as a template to keep the hole in the same spot for all 12 cutouts. Stack and glue together. For a little detail, use brown pencil to make the dots around the centre of your banana slice. From orange cardstock, cut 1.5 cm wide strips for the rock melon or cantaloupe slice. Then cut your strips into 1 cm segments. Stack and glue 16 pieces together per slice. For the pineapple, we used bright yellow cardstock. On a 1.5 cm wide strip, trace the curve from your banana piece for the sloping top. Sketch in the straight lines to connect the base and top. Then cut out. Stack and glue 12 pieces per pineapple slice. For a quick blueberry, we coloured this clear bead with blue permanent marker. We took a larger bead and a red marker to make a strawberry and added seeds with a black Sharpie. With all our pieces ready, we can assemble the kebab. For this step, you can use liquid glue or hot glue. Make sure to place the banana slice with the centre hole at the bottom. Then keep stacking your different fruit pieces. The stem is just a 5 cm length of cake pop stick. Put glue on the tip and insert into the hole we made in the banana slice. This colourful, healthy lunch treat is sure to please all your dolls. To make jelly or jello, we have this 2-part resin purchased inexpensively from eBay. If you can't source resin, you could also use Elmer's clear glue, but it may not last as long over time. Squeeze out your desired amount from the larger A tube, then add half that amount from the smaller B tube. We have coloured our resin with food dye. Add more until you get that classic bright red jelly colour. For a cup, we have this clear cap from a juice bottle. It's the perfect size. Alternatively, you can use a small glue stick cap, but it may not be as transparent to see the jelly inside. Fill the cup with your resin, then leave it 24 to 48 hours to completely set. With the leftover mix, we made this 2-tone jelly just for fun. To make the lid, trace around your cap onto white paper. Referencing an image from the web, we copied the Jelly-O logo using red pen and light blue marker. Cut out. It's optional, but you can glue the label onto recycled foil packaging for that added realism. cut around your circle, but leave the little tab just like you see on real jelly cups. Put a super thin layer of liquid glue, residual resin or E6000 around the rim to adhere the label, and your lunch snack is done. Okay, for a packet of tortilla chips, you can make a printable on MS Word or Paint program, similar to how we made the pretzels in our DIY Airlines food cart tutorial. Or you can hand draw the packaging using markers and an orange watercolour pencil. Lightly mist a paintbrush with water, then paint over the image to activate the pencil's pigment and blend your colouring lines. Cut out your packet and pre-fold the side tabs. Put adhesive, in our case double-sided tape, on the bottom and one side tab to seal shut, then stuff with cotton balls to fill it up. Apply more adhesive to the top of the packet to close it shut permanently. Your tortilla chips are ready to serve the dolls. Your dolls have an awesome assortment of lunch foods that are both nutritious and delicious. Thanks again for having your say in our community poll. To conclude our food series, be sure to vote for next month's dessert theme. Don't forget to subscribe to Always Dolls and hit the bell icon so you get notified as soon as a new video drops. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun!